Lunchtime. Let's see the selection of food today. This is the one of the buffets. Check it out, desserts. Wheel with nothing on it. Yeah, it looks like a nice selection of food. Oh, that's a pretty good spaghetti, I must admit. It looks good. I'm not sure how it tastes, but in my other plate, I got some curry chicken and some beef and other stuff. So, you know, it's a buffet lunch. I'm not really expecting that much, but who knows? I might be surprised. Okay, I'm up next. So, got my power suit on, ready to kill it. Let's go do this.
We do the titaniums together. We do the pre-summits usually. Someone else does the post-summit, then we do the titanium. And John can go home after he has done the pre-summit, but he sticks around. And he sits with people while they're eating, and he talks. And he talks. And he talks. And he shares some of the greatest things about who he is and what he does, and waiting list. He's on a waiting list with whatchamacallit's car, and you know, we just have a good time. He's the kind of guy you don't want to talk with, you just want to listen to, you know? And I think that's what you're going to do right now. You're going to listen to a great presentation, someone who has been a consistent top leader for Mold since day one, and remains giving of himself in every way he can. He's always there for that. He's always there. He doesn't worry about giving away too much information. He'll give you as much as you want, and then you can take it and use it. And that's what he's going to do right now. So say hello to John Chow.
Awesome. Take another down. Thank you. All right. How's everybody doing? Is it too loud? I hear a lot of big reverb happening. Much better. Thank you. Just got back to my room, finished my presentation for the attendees at the Titanium Mastermind. I think it went really, really great. The feedback has been pretty fantastic. I'll have some of the feedback in the next video. I didn't have time to actually put a video camera on the attendees saying what you think, but I'll probably do that tomorrow or tonight at dinner. Right now I'm going to get out of my suit, get in my swim trunk, then I'm gonna hit that pool and relax. And just relax until dinner time. All right, so thank you for watching this episode, the .com Lifestyle Vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. And once again, if you want to know how I do this, time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom, while I'm in Puerto Vallarta, making over $5,000 today so far. Yeah, go download my ebook, enjoy it, welcome your feedback on it. All right, so that's it for now. JohnChow.com. See you guys tomorrow.